All right, so does your toilet seat do this? So it's likely you've either snapped your bolt or your bolt is loose on the nut that tightens it. So I'm going to show you how to fix it. So I purchased these Quali-Home plastic bolts that I'm going to use. One, to replace the broken one on my seat, and then two, I'm probably going to replace the other side just so that both bolts are matching so that we can make this not wobble so much anymore. So what you're going to do is you're going to pop these things open, and you can see here that's the one that broke and fell out, and then the other one is, let's see, get that, is right there, and it's still, I think, in good shape. But we'll go ahead and we'll unpack these and slide one in. All right, so I got the screw and the nut, and I'm just gonna slide that boy in right there, and then stick this underneath and just thread it on up like so. Once that gets nice and tight, you can pretty much only, hand tighten these if you want. You can also grab a wrench and you can torque it up a little bit like that. And that should do it. Oh yeah, the seat isn't really wobbling anymore. To be honest, kind of wish they would have put these washers in here. This is from the old toilet, so I'm gonna go ahead and just undo that real quick. Put the washer on, because that head is, unfortunately, it looks like it's trying to bend in there. So undo that really quick. Just like that. Actually, we will slide that washer in there. Oh yeah, that's way better. If yours has a washer, I'd recommend using it again. If not, you might want to go purchase one, because this kit does not come with those washers. And that is really going to do the trick right there. Alrighty, and it's just that easy to fix it. And now we've got a much more stable seat that shouldn't be moving on you when you sit on it. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. Hope that helps. I'll also post the link to those fasteners from Amazon in the description below. Alright, have a good one.